Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel of Conduct Info System. Today I will show you how we can fetch latitude and longitude on basis of any address or any state. So here I have inherited HR model and added some custom fields to compute latitude and longitude. These values are based on this branch address. Let's move toward code. Here is my code where I have inherited HR models. I have used nominative API to get geocode from it. So from gob.geocoders import nominative help us to obtain latitude and longitude. Here I have taken fields like country ID, state ID, branch address. Branch address is computed from state ID, country ID and branch. Now latitude and longitude. This we will get from here. I have used nominative and passed user agent as a parameter. This will passed by our request to fetch the latitude and longitude from API to get locations. Now this will be stored in geolocator term variable, and then we can allocate in our field latitude and longitude. By using this code, we can easily fetch latitude and longitude from any branch address or any address, state, country, etc. Thank you for seeing this video and be connected, like, share, subscribe.